Today I'm going to show you how to see and respond to change requests. Whenever someone asks for a change on content that you've sent for approval, the content status changes from pending approval to requires revision. In the Notification Center, which you can access by clicking on the bell icon on the top right corner, you'll see which items need your attention. This orange dot with an exclamation point is a revision request. I can see the name of the person who requested it and see a portion of the comment. To see the complete feedback, click on the Content ID. Clicking on the Content ID number takes me to the editor where I can read comments and ask follow-up questions. Gain tracks all revisions and comments in the Activity Tracker. The Activity Tracker is where content history like who made changes or sent content for approval is found. It's only visible to administrators, publishers, and contributors. Here's a revision request. If I have a question or need clarification, I can click on Want to ask the approver a question, and Gain takes me to the Approval tab, and before I reply, I can see what round of approval workflow this person belongs to. I'll type in my question in this box, and click Ask Question. Gain will send a note to this user and place the content in pending approval status again. When this person gets back to me, I'll get a notification that their comment will show up in the Activities section. Now that I get an answer to my question, I can edit the post to make all the relevant changes and click Save, and just to confirm, I can see Gain saved my last activity here. Next, I click Resend to Approval and re-notify approvers. And that's it. When this person finally approves my post, Gain will let me know. And if we take one last look at the activity, I can see now that not only has this person approved my post, but Gain auto-scheduled it. On the other hand, in the approval section, you can also see all the comments made during the revision process. This way, if anyone else needs to catch up, they can easily do so from here. I hope this video was useful. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to send us a note or check out our YouTube channel for more tips.